¿Qué es la que hay? Welcome back to Tony West DIY. My name is West and I was working in the RX-7 changing spark plugs and doing some maintenance. Then I look outside and then realized that my daily looked all messed up. I think the last time that I washed the car was to make the last video of how to pass inspection. If you haven't seen it, you can click on the card on the top right. I'm supposed to be ashamed. When you turn on that car, a lot of messages pop up. It looks like a billboard and it's just basically a CTS screaming, man, you have to take care of me. I mean, look at it. The car is dirty. The brake dust on the front wheels. In addition of, I have to change the oil. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the oil in a 2013 Cadillac CTS. And then I will walk you through how you tell the ECU that you changed the oil. So let's get started. Something that I like from this car is the oil filter location and how easy it is to replace it. This is how easy it is. Twist and then pull, remove cover, and then there you go. To have access to the drain plug, you have to remove a plastic cover that these cars have. I removed last time and I didn't have time to put it back, but I will show you later after I assemble everything back. You technically have to remove this type of plastic pins, which when they get dirty, they're a pain in the ass. If I'm not mistaken, there's like 2 screws on this side. The drain plug is 15 millimeters.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Alright, and while all the oil drains, I'm just gonna remove the oil filter. So this is a 1516 and you just go counterclockwise. Alright, and now let's fill her up.
That's what she said. Or he said.
I would prefer a thicker one.
Don't you dare.
I'm gonna pour 6 quarts and then I'm gonna reset the computer. This is a simple process, the same as if you press the like button in the video for the channel. It will help me a lot. I appreciate the support. Cadillac content actually have more views than my RX-7 content. So that being said, let's show you how to reset the computer.